What is going on, everybody? I am Chaka Crypto, and this is the Chakaverse. Got some PEPE updates just to keep you guys up to date of what's going on with PEPE. Let's see. Right now, their Twitter is at 153,000, well, 153.4 thousand followers. So growing nicely. Right here, the most memeable meme coin in existence has their Telegram on the Twitter. PEPE's putting out the frogs together strong. PEPE good morning meme tweets. See if you're aware of this artist of this piece. Okay, so they're looking for the artist of this good morning piece so they can tag them in it. And let's see another PEPE see the light. PEPE with the third eye. Yeah, just some good morning tweets. They are putting out there again. It's like a periodical reminder. They say that PEPE will never be having any airdrops, staking, or links for you to connect your wallet to. Stay safe, protect your assets from the many scams and the many PEPE imitations going around. And man, they ain't lying. There's a lot of them. So be careful out there. He got that frog in him. All right, 69,000 holders of PEPE. A moment in history. Just in, this is on April 30th, so entered the top 100 on CoinGecko after hitting new all-time highs. And let's go ahead and go over to the price action. PEPE sitting as of time of recording 501207. Liquidity is up today, 7.65 million. 24-hour volume is at 61.56 million. I mean, this volume is just nuts. Let's see, market cap 507 million. Well, 507.85 million. We're halfway to $1 billion market cap already. We're already halfway to $1 billion market cap, and it is what, Tuesday? What do you guys think? When are we gonna hit $1 billion market cap? I'm not even gonna really say, are we? I mean, at this point, if this keeps up, we're gonna be at $1 billion market cap. I got to put it out there that PEPE is a meme coin. Everybody knows anything can happen. This is still a gamble. This is still very risky. Only invest what you are expecting to lose. This could be gone tomorrow. It's possible. Let's be straight up, be transparent. Even though this has been killing it, I've made money off of it. I haven't cashed out yet, so technically I haven't made money, but my investment has grown nicely. I invested $200. And I think I'm at $1,500 now. I'm at $1,500 off of $200. I did. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my investment. What I did really quick. All right, so I invested. If you haven't watched my previous PEPE videos, check them out, man, because I got my whole from the very beginning of when I invested into PEPE up until now, and I have been going strong and putting out PEPE videos every day. Just to keep you guys up to date on any news that I find, good news or bad news, being totally transparent with this project, because I don't have nothing to lose, and there's a lot of scams out there that everybody needs to be aware of, and I just want to share the news with you guys and share my journey along the way. You know what I mean? All right, so I started off with $100. The $100, it was profit from Gala. I took $100 out of Gala. Well, I actually took out $200 out of Gala. I'm up fairly, pretty good on Gala. I have a lot of Gala. And then I put $100 in PEPE just to throw it in there. And I was just looking at the chart and seeing the community growing. So I felt like I wanted to put another $200 in there. So I put another $200 in there. And I'm just like, all right, let's let it ride. My original plan was double up on my investment, pull out my original $200 and let the rest ride. Then the price just went nuts. That $200 turned into $1,000. I put out a video the night that my investment hit $1,000. I put out a video titled $200 to $1,000. It was the OKX listing video. So what I did, I only had 665,500,000 PEPE. So I just when it hit 1,000, I sold $300 worth of Pepe, of my Pepe. So, because I figured it was going to dip. I was hoping it was going to dip because I wanted to buy in at a lower level because I want to hit 1 billion Pepe. So I sold $300 worth of Pepe. It went down to, it dipped a little bit, and I bought back in, and I'm holding 1 billion Pepe. It's like 1,300,000,000 or 1,003,000 Pepe. I wanted to hit that 1 billion mark, and now it's starting to rise up again, and now I'm at $1,500. So I guess I did get my original investment back, but I decided to put it back into Pepe. But because I wanted to hit, I wanted to be holding, just for me, I want to hold 1 billion Pepe in my wallet. So now I got 1 billion Pepe. All right, so total liquidity 7.67 million. That's awesome. The liquidity is rising, and the liquidity and market cap ratio is always weird with these meme coins. I mean, look at the market cap. We're at 500 million market cap. We only got 7.67 million. But if you go back and look at SHIB, or you go back and look at Doge, the market cap ratio, it's just weird like that. This is meme coins. That's just the way they are. I'm pretty sure there's a great explanation on why that is. I don't know why it is. I just know that the market cap total liquidity ratio is always wonky on these things. But the 24-hour volume really catching all of the centralized exchanges' attention. That's a lot of that's a lot of opportunity for these centralized exchanges to be passing up on. There was a tweet or something CZ was talking about. He has an eye on Pepe, so it's that's out there. Of course, that's going to make everybody like, oh, Binance listing. We don't know. Of course, he's looking at it because if you are head of a company and you're all about money and you look at this, you're like, oh, I want to get a piece of that. I'm going to list them so I can get point whatever percent per transact or per trade on Pepe. Of course, they're looking at that because they want to get some of that money. All right, so the market cap 509.25 million, and the holders have grown like crazy. We're at 75.06 thousand holders, so that's great to see. Let's see, as far as the news, they have their tweets. Pepe coin ain't stopping now, so they got a new listing. This is on coin market cap. Pepe coin rally ain't stopping here. Pepe bags other exchange listing. So Pepe coin news. Pepe, the latest meme crypto in trend, has managed to bag another major crypto exchange listing in the latest announcement. BitMEX announced that it will be listing Pepe perpetual swaps. It mentioned the 2 new perpetual listings will arrive in BitMEX on May 3rd, 2023. As per the BitMEX announcement, traders will be able to short or long Pepe coins via 2 pairs, Pepe USD and Pepe USDT, on the platform. Earlier, CoinGate reported that Huobi listed Pepe on its platform. So Pepe's still getting exchanges, and I'm guessing, and this is a total guess because nobody knows for sure. There's going to be plenty more. There's going to be plenty more because these centralized exchanges want a piece of Pepe. They want to get some of that money. They're greedy bastards, just like they are all about money. They want to get some of this. So the popularity is still going. The more eyes are on Pepe, and now with these more centralized exchanges, more people are going to have access to Pepe that has heard about it, and now they're going to have the opportunity to jump into Pepe if they would like. So that's all I got for you today. I would guess Pepe is going to be at $1 billion market cap sooner than later. That's just my guess. Of course, it's just a guess. This chart could tank, and then it can go nowhere. But I'm just trying to be totally transparent. I decided to just leave my investment in there and let it ride. I could easily take out $1,000 and leave $500 in there. And what's crazy is this is all off a $200 investment. So I'm just gonna let it ride and see what happens. Yeah, I guess if the price starts going down substantially, it's just going down, and there's a huge sell-off, then I might take my profits so I can buy at a lower level. But right now, I'm letting it ride to see what's happened, see what's going on. Pepe fam is strong. Pepe fam, appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. The Discord, I've been jumping in the Discord. The Discord's great. I've been talking to the community. The community building in there, it has just been coming along nicely. Telegram doing its thing. It's a Telegram. Everybody in there is shilling Pepe, but there's questions being asked, and the community's building. They're getting stronger and stronger by the day. Of course, we're getting these big sell-offs. You still got that what is it? Jared from Subway .eth Mevbot still doing those big sell-offs. You're gonna have the way early investors. I'm an early investor, but I'm not the earliest investor. You're gonna have these guys doing big sell-offs, so we still got to be aware of that. And that's everything I got. I did mention. Okay, so here's a crazy story. In one of my videos, I talked about Andy. Andy is a meme coin, newer meme coin that I put in $50. I did do a video saying that I put in $50 into Andy to see where it's going. And the reason I did that, because this is all Pepe journey, so this was kind of linked into Pepe. Has nothing to do with Pepe as a project, but the only thing was they were giving 3% reflections. All right, so I bought into Andy like when Andy first launched, okay, and then I just put in $50 and I kind of left it. What I didn't know was Andy went to a V2 within days of launching, like the third day or fourth day. I didn't know that, so I'm looking at the chart and I'm just like, what is going on? I seen two Andy charts, and I go to the Andy website, and it said they launched a V2. I wasn't keeping up with Andy, didn't join none of those socials. So I'm still in the V1, and I missed the opportunity to switch it over to V2. So I was like, cool, whatever. I lost $50. Well, for some reason, the V1 chart just went bananas. It went nuts. It went up hundreds of percent. So that $50 that I had in the V1 contract, I cashed that out for $385. So I put $50 into Andy, the V1 contract, which is not their contract no more. They're in a V2. The V2 ends in 6956 because of the Pepe reflections, and I sold it just to get my $50 back, really. But when I went to Uniswap to sell it, I was at $385. So that $50 turned to $385 with Andy, the V1 contract, and so I got that profit. That's another reason why I decided to leave everything in Pepe. And I knew I was going to sell Pepe just to get in at a lower level. I could have just added that $300 to Pepe, but I figured I'm going to keep that $385. That's my profit right there. So also, when I sold the V1 Andy, for some reason it gave me a bunch of Pepe. It gave me I think it gave me 500 million Pepe. So I have extra Pepe in my wallet from selling Andy. Now the V2 contract is, I have the chart up in my favorites because it's connected to Andy, but I'm not in the V2 contract. I'm not in the V2. I'm holding no Andy V2. But I just wanted to share that. I turned $50 into $385. I got really lucky on that one, and that's from because the V1 went to V2, and then the V1 chart started just pumping. So I cashed out because it's the V1 is their old contract, and then I was at $385. So got lucky on that one. And let's see. That's really all I got for you today. You guys just still be careful out there. These scams are crazy. I showed you the YouTube scam. Go back a couple videos, check that out. Be aware, be alert. The airdrop scams are everywhere. They're like every day. Pepe was trending on Twitter for 2 million something tweets. They were trending. But if you type in hashtag Pepe coin on Twitter, or let's see, Pepe coin ETH, hashtag Pepe coin ETH, whatever, Pepe coin, you're gonna find some of the scam, Twitter scam. So just be aware. Look, right off the bat, we're launching Pepe airdrop. There's no airdrops. Pepe has said that on the Twitter, so don't fall for this stuff. If you're gonna lose your money degening into a project, I would really rather lose my money making my own decision. Okay, I decided to invest in this project and it tanked. I lost it on my own. I don't want to lose it because of scammer. I don't want to lose it because I fell for a scam, clicked their link, and then now not only did I lose my PEPE, I lost everything in my wallet. So you guys be careful out there. When I say it's the wild wild west, that's for real. It's the wild wild west. It's a free for all. These scammers are just trying to get what is yours. So be alert, be aware, be safe. You know what I mean? And that's all I got for you today. I'm Chaka Crypto. If there's any news throughout the day, I'll put it up. I'll try to make a video of it. So the news for today is they got a new listing, and so I'm gonna ride this wave out. A new listing, more eyes on the project. I don't think I'm going anywhere. I'm gonna ride this bad boy out. And for those of you who's along the ride, they're right there beside me along the ride. Let me know what you're doing in the comments down below, and then spam the comment section, man. Throw some frogs in there. Let's go. I love the interaction. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Spam the chat with some frogs. Let me know your opinion on PEPE. Where's PEPE going in the future? What's your thoughts? When's PEPE going to hit a $1 billion market cap? Or is PEPE going to hit a $1 billion market cap? What's your opinion? And I will try to keep you guys up to date as much as I can. I am Chaka Crypto. This is a Chakaverse, and I'll see you guys in the metaverse. Peace.